I forgot my mask. I'm a complete mess. And I'm white. So legit you can't see me. Hopefully not. I will check this video on here. Well, anyways. So today we are not eating tacos. Not drinking our Mountain Dew. We are making slime. I legit made slime before, but it's legit slime that you could buy at the store. But we're not making any slime. We're making fluffy slime. I'll get all the material. So we are making legit slime. So first, pour the water. We're not making much. Next, you need to break this can up. So that'll be good for now. Now you need to smash it. Once you get a nice good bit, you go ahead and grab your bowl. By the way, if you hear noises in the background, it's family. So, go ahead and put it in your bowl. Now, since it's in your bowl, shake it around. Next, you're gonna need some Dawn. Oh yeah, like that. Yeah, just like that. The color you want, I want blue. We need to make it, first mix it around and then you need to make it sticky. So now, making it sticky. My little cousins are here, but yeah, you need to mix this up. And once you slime it, should be slime. Yo, bros, you won't believe this, but it's actually legit slime. By the way, I just reckon you not do this because it probably won't work all the time, so it'll just be a waste of stuff. So if you need help, you need a professional. But that slime, it's fluffy. But that's it. Little cuz are here, but bye.